Hey there. Time of software being a repository of information or just a repository of information is clearly over. Facility managers and operational teams all around the world need that on top of being a system of a record, when you plan your tasks, register what's going on and get standard operational reports, they need a system that puts everything together and brings valuable real-time insights to make the facilities run smoothly. Infraspeak is already using state-of-art machine learning and AI technologies, leveraging thousands of data points that we collect automatically via our mobile apps, integrations, workflows, or sensors. And with that, we are already able to deliver one, smart suggestions, allowing operational efficiency, two, alerts to avoid stock shortage or missing an important SLA, and three, intelligence reports that are helping managers to take smart decisions every day. And you can expect much more because we are just getting started.
Intelligence has always been part of Infraspeak DNA. The first thing that we started to do was some kind of automations. So we started to understand what kind of steps they always needed to know and try to create an architecture that we could predict those decisions and automate them. Then, we started to give suggestions. So the user doesn't have to look for everything, or it's going to be way easier on them to insert data on the system. What we're doing now is in several different data points, looking for outliers, looking for something that is somehow different than what it was supposed to be. And it can either be like really technical data, such as temperature or consumption or stuff like that, but it can also be operational data. For example, this user is taking 3 times longer to do this task comparing to the rest of the team. And of course, that can be for a lot of different factors, but the fact that we can detect and show the manager, look, maybe something is wrong over here, we believe that it's something really critical. We're preparing the third wave of intelligence in Infraspeak. We are partnering up with the most advanced facility managers, IoT sensor companies, and service suppliers. We have a highly talented team exclusively working on this area, and we know we are only 1%.
Our vision for intelligence, together with a never-ending search for personalization, makes Infraspeak a unique intelligent maintenance management platform. Your life as a manager becomes much easier. You can do more with your current resources, you stay within SLA and regulatory compliance, your teams deliver what's expected from you, and you reach your goals. Can you imagine the unfair advantage you have in the market by using Infraspeak? So it's time to gear up.